Hi there, my name is Joanna and my group members are Tara and Elena. We are doing a presentation on the influences of image sharing and manipulation and how it shapes our culture. We believe this is an important topic to cover because of all the social media presence there is in our daily lives and how it can affect us. The medium we chose is Tumblr. Tumblr is a popular social media blogging website that is user-friendly and very visually appealing. Let us begin with providing a brief description of what each of the 5 blog posts will be about. Post 1 is regarding content consumption. In this blog, we will be discussing the different types of content consumption and how it affects marketing. The 5 types are focus consumption, dual, informative, time-shifted, and content binging.
Semiotics is the study of signs. These signs are broken down into 3 subsections: the icon, symbol, and index. An icon is a sign that resembles the thing that it refers to, such as a photograph, as seen here with the photograph of the dog. An index is a sign that is not arbitrary. It is directly connected to the thing it refers to, such as the smell of bread baking in the oven or this black figure outline of the dog. A symbol is a purely arbitrary representation of the thing it refers to, like a stop sign or a dog's paw print or even a dog cookie. There are 2 parts that make up a sign, the signifier and the signified. The signifier is the material form the sign takes in this world, such as the image of the dog, and the signified is the concept being represented by the sign either by a connotative or explicit representation, such as the label dog under the image, and finally, the referent is the actual thing in the world that is signified by the sign, in this case, the dog. Digital storytelling can be in the form of video sequences or storyboarding. It must rely heavily on the visual aspect of the story as opposed to being solely dependent on the written word. Sequences are a series of shots showing a single action, creating the illusion of continuous movement, says Adam Westbrook. Showing major moments through small clips of a few seconds each will be able to capture the story that you need to tell without spending too much time on the minor moments. Storyboarding is another way to tell a story digitally by compiling a series of images to sketch out a scene for a video, adding instructions for background, lighting, camera angles, or movements. Storyboarding is a great way to help you plan out your scenes before you shoot your ideas.
Our 4th blog will be about the ethics of Photoshop and other image manipulation. At its simplest, ethics are a collection of standards that we make up to determine what we consider to be right and wrong. Ethics is defined as a system of moral principles or ideals, and conforming to the established professional standards of behavior, according to the dictionary. We will touch up on how currently millions of digital images we are exposed to daily are frequently modified in our society. We will go on to address the influences of Photoshop and if we can believe anything we see anymore. And finally, address the question as to when the pursuit of aesthetics violates our ethics. Our 5th blog will be about the challenges and security issues that may arise from manipulating images. Data privacy, also known as information privacy, is a subset of data security that focuses on the correct management of data, including permission, notification, and regulatory requirements. Practical data privacy problems frequently focus around whether or not data is shared with other parties and how data is shared with third parties. We will be discussing the negative effects in manipulating images and if our photos are safe in the cloud. And lastly, go on to explain the real cost of using these services and whether you should be worried.